Alright, what's up guys, here is Mike here. In this video I'm going to be turning my readme file in GitHub into a complete AI generated video. We're going to be using a tool which is HeyGen, which is very known in the AI space right now, and we're going to do that in like 4 to 5 minutes. So without wasting any time, let's do it. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is go to your GitHub repo, any GitHub repo you want, and choose the readme file that you want to transform into a complete video. I have here my project which is called restructure, the startup I'm working on right now, and I have this readme file outlining the project and the idea of it. And of course the purpose of like transforming this readme file into a video is to share that video with anyone who's interested in the project. Maybe someone wants to invest in that project or a contributor. So you have a lot of ideas why you should be like transforming your readme file into a actual watchable video. So it depends on your own goals. But right now, let's get to work. So the first thing I want to do is head to ChatGPT or Claude. In my case, it's going to be Claude because I like Claude. Okay, and we're gonna put a prompt, okay, to Claude to transform this readme file, which is mainly optimized for GitHub, to optimize it back to HeyGen. So HeyGen can understand this readme file and compose it into scenes. And you'll see just right now how I'm gonna do that. So once you land in Claude or ChatGPT, before you paste the readme file, you need to copy and paste the prompt. And that prompt, you're gonna see it over here, and it's gonna be also in the description down below. So take it, put it over here, and you can read if you want, but I optimized it for you so you don't have to do that job. And go back and copy that, okay, and paste it over here. It's gonna be like a file, and then click execute or whatever. Okay, so right now the AI will transform my readme document into a HeyGen prompt, you can say. So it finished and generated us this, you can say, HeyGen prompt. And now HeyGen is not gonna do it accurately, okay? Like it's not gonna be 100% accurate, but it's gonna get inspired by that prompt. And I've tried several other prompts and also importing directly the README file into HeyGen, but I think this way is way better. Okay, so right now just copy that, and also you can save it as PDF, so I would highly recommend doing that. Save it as PDF, and now let's go to HeyGen. Alright, now once in HeyGen, you're gonna need to use a feature in it which is in beta mode, but it's excellent to generate quick videos. Okay, this is why we're doing this video, to be fast and get the work done as fast as possible, because we're actually busy doing a lot of stuff as developers. So create video and PDF to video, and it's also in beta. Okay, and right now you're gonna need to drop the PDF, the one that you saved from Claude, alright, or ChatGPT. So upload a file. I'm gonna upload it right now. Alright, so now it's confirming a couple of stuff, and you can choose any avatar you want. If you're not familiar with HeyGen, you can import your own avatar, or even choose any avatar that's public. Okay, so it's the person who's gonna be talking in your presentation. Okay, so for me, I'm just gonna go with this normal one, which is Sean. Okay, he's like corporate vibes, and Dev Treasure is just about corporate stuff, okay, and landing jobs. So you have a lot of stuff over here. Make sure you browse them before you choose. So for me, it's gonna be Sean suit front, and for the template, it's gonna be this template. A template in HeyGen is basically just like a PowerPoint template. All right, so for me, it's gonna be this one, which is the black and bit like these vibes. Okay, so I'm just gonna choose that. You can choose any other template if you want, and then make sure you confirm the language. Obviously it's gonna be English. You can choose other language, of course, there's plenty. Okay, the length, I'm gonna do it under 1 minute, but this script was optimized from 1 to 3 minutes, but for now let's try in under 1 minute. It works perfectly, okay, especially for GitHub repos, because if you want to attach that to your GitHub repo. Speakers, so okay, that's good. The objective, all right, that's good. Audience, this is the audience, and the tone. All right, now once you make sure everything is fine over here, just click on generate and wait for it to do the magic. And meanwhile, guys, I'm just to tell you, like, I'm learning how to use HeyGen from that website, which is called AI Reduced. So basically there's a complete roadmap on how to like learn these AI tools. So I'm actually learning from these cards. So if you want, just check this out. Alright, so HeyGen just finished generating the video, and let me click on it and play it for you so you can see the final output.
Hey there, future tech professional. Tired of sending out applications and hearing nothing back? Welcome to Dev Treasure, where we help you uncover hidden skills that turn struggling developers into sought-after professionals. Get ready to transform your job search game. Have you been stuck in the endless cycle of apply, wait, reject, repeat? The issue isn't your coding skills or the market, it's the generic advice you're using. Dev Treasure offers a unique approach, helping you uncover hidden treasures like skills, strategies, and insider knowledge to stand out in the tech industry. Our crown jewel, the 10-day tech job course, transforms your job search into a strategic, results-driven system. In just 10 days, learn proven techniques from hundreds of successful job searches. This isn't generic advice, it's a tested system. Imagine revamping your approach and getting callbacks within days, just like David K. did. Your journey to a tech job doesn't need endless rejections. With the right guidance, strategy, and community, you can succeed. The question isn't if you can land a great job, but if you're ready to stop what's not working and start using a proven system. Your developer treasure awaits. Are you ready to discover it?
Alright, so here you have it. This is it. Now, of course, you can optimize it way better, but I just showed the fastest way you can do that. Alright, now you can just download it or share it and put it somewhere on a Google Drive, and then put that link on your GitHub README file, okay? So you have also a README file with a full text plus a demonstration or like a video explaining your project. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. You're gonna find all the links down in the description down below, and if you want, give me a like and give me a subscribe for more videos. And yeah, I'll see you soon.